handa sa pagsasanay sa paghawak ng sandata. Kanang balikat. Ta! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaliwang balikat. Ta! 1, 2, 3, 4. Agap. Ta! 1, 2. Baba. Ta! 1, 2, 3. Siyasat. Ta! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agap. Ta! Baba. Ta! 1, 2, 3. Tanghal. Ta! 1, 2. Baba. Ta! 1, 2, 3. Tikas. Nga! Paluwag. Tong. Da. Eleven General Orders. Number 1. To take charge of dispose of all government properties in view. Number 2. To work my post in military manners, keeping always on the alert in everything that take the place within sight of hearing. Number 3. To repose all violation of order I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To repeat all calls from my post more distance from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive obeying pass to the sentinel who relieves me. Orders from the commanding officer of the day in non-commissioned officer of the guard only. Number 7. To talk to no one except on the line of duty. Number 8. To give alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9. To call the commander of relief in any case that covered by instructions. Number 10. To salute all officers and non-all officers. Number 11. To especially watchful at night during the time of challenge all person on near on my post, and to allow to no one pass without proper authority.